Teacher, 4 hands are raised before recording. Just see what problem they are having.
Okay. Okay. So today we are going to see the subtraction. Okay. So as I told you, this problem set 10 is a simple subtraction. Okay. And this is given you as a self study. Okay. So we are going to move forward on the problem set 11. Okay. Now, everyone is able to see our first example. See, in addition, what we are doing, if a number is there, we are putting the bigger number first, then we are adding. Okay. But when we are doing the subtraction, that time also we have to keep in mind that always a bigger number we are going to write first, because bigger number cannot minus from the smaller number. We can't minus. Okay. जो बड़ा नंबर है वो छोटा नंबर में से माइनस नहीं होता. So we have to write the bigger number first. We are going to write this bigger number first. Okay. So our first example from the problem set 11. First, 8,57,513 minus 4,82,256. Okay. Here two numbers are given, 8,57,513 minus 4,82,256. Okay. So in these two numbers, bigger number is 8 lakh, smaller number is 4 lakh. So we are going to write the bigger number first. 8,57,513 minus 4,82,256. Now we are going to minus. Okay. Now 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 is not possible. Now only I told you we can't minus bigger number from smaller number. 3 minus 6 is not possible. So what we'll do? This 3 will borrow 1 from this 1. ये जो 3 है वो क्या करेगा? इस 1 से 1 borrow करेगा. So here the number is 13 and here 0. This 1 will give 1 to this 3. So how many will remain here? इस 1 ने अगर इस 3 को अपना 1 दे दिया तो इसके पास कितना बचेगा? 0. Correct? Correct? 13 and here 0. Okay. Now 13 minus 6 is possible. Correct. 13 minus 6 is possible. Now here 0 is there. See, here down these borrowing numbers are written over here. But for your understanding, I am writing on the top. Okay. ये नीचे लिख के दिया है borrow किया हुआ. I am writing on the top for your understanding. Okay. Now 0 minus 5. 0 minus 5 is not possible. 0 minus 5 is not possible. So what this 0 will do? This 0 will borrow 1 from this 5. जो 5 दिख रहा है क्या 1 के आगे? You are seeing this 5 before this 1. So this 0 will borrow 1 from this 5. तो ये 5 ने अगर 1 दिया तो 5 के पास कितना बचेगा? 4. How many will remain over here? 4. 4 minus 2 is possible. 4 minus 2 is possible. Yes, possible. 7 minus 2, again it is possible we can minus 2 from the 7, ये भी हो सकता है. Then next 5 minus 8, 5 minus 8 is possible, we can't minus 8 from 5, हम लोग 8 5 से माइनस नहीं कर सकते. So what this 5 will do, this 5 will borrow 1 from this 8. ये 5 ने क्या किया, बाजू वाले 8 से 1 borrow किया. Okay, and how many remains here on the 8 near, how many remain here? 7. If this 8 gives 1 to this 5, so how many remain near 8? कितना बचेगा 8 के पास? 7. So 7 minus 4 is possible? Possible. Now we are going to do the subtraction. Now we'll do the subtraction. 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6 कितना होता है? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So 13 minus 6 is 7. So we have written over here 7. 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. 15 minus 8 is 7. 15 में से 8 गए कितने होता है? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So 15 minus 8 is 7. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. So our answer is 3,75,257. Okay, when we subtract 4,82,256 from 8,57,513, we are getting this answer 3,75,257. ठीक है? Understood? Understood everyone? Now next example. We'll see this fourth example. Now see, fourth example, 45,43,827 minus 12,05,938. Okay, now we are doing the subtraction of these numbers. Okay, so again we are going to write the bigger number first. So we'll write this bigger number first, 45,43,827. Then smaller number minus. Don't forget to give this minus sign. Okay, whenever you are going to do addition, that time you are putting the plus sign, and when you are doing the subtraction, that time you have to give the minus sign. Okay, now we'll write the smaller number 12,05,938. Now again we are going to do the subtraction. See, this is the borrowing number. For your understanding, I am again writing on the top. Okay, 7 minus 8. 7 minus 8 is possible? No, we can't minus 8 from 7. So what this 7 will do? This 7 will borrow 1 from this 2. So 7 ने क्या किया? 1 borrow किया. Okay, हम लोग नीचे लिखते. Okay, this 7, so you will understand. This 7 borrow, यहाँ से समझ में आएगा ना? Okay, so 7 minus 8 is not possible. So this 7 borrowed 1 from this 2. Okay, okay, I'm writing over here only because you will get confused again. So this 7 borrowed 1 from this 2. So 2 gives 1 to this 7. So here number is 17. Now 2 gives 1 to this 17. So how many remains over here? 1 only. So 1 minus 3 is again not possible. We can't minus 3 from 1. So what this one will do? This one will borrow again 1 from this 8. ये 1 जो क्या करेगा, ये अपने आगे वाले 8 से फिर से 1 borrow करेगा. Okay, so here the number is 11. Now 8 ने 1 दे दिया, so how many remain? Over here 7, because 8 minus 1 is 7. So 7 minus 9 is possible. 7 minus 9 is possible? No. So what this 7 will do? This 7 will again borrow 1. So here 17. This 7 will again borrow 1 from this 3. So here number is 17. Now 3 gives 1 to this 7. So how many remains near 3? 2. ये 3 ने 1 दे दिया 7 को, तो ये 3 के पास कितना बचा? 2. 2 minus 5 is possible? No. So what this 2 will do? This 2 will again borrow 1. ये 2 क्या करेगा? फिर से borrow करेगा 1 को. So here number is 12. Now this 4 gives 1 to this 2. ये 4 ने 1 दे दिया इस 2 को. So how many remain here? 3. How many remain here? 3. So 3 minus 0 is possible? Yes, it is possible. 5 minus 2 is possible? It is possible. We minus 4, we can minus 1 from this 4. Yes, we can minus. So now our question is ready now. Numbers are ready. Now we are going to subtract. Okay. 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. If we minus 8 from 17, how many we get? 9. So we'll write over here 9. Here the number is 11. 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So how many remain? 8. Here 17. 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Again how many remain? 8. Here 12 is there. 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5. 12 में से 5 गया, कितना बचा? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many remain? 7. 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0 is 3 only. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. And 4 minus 1 is again 3. So when we subtract 12,05,938 from this bigger number 45,43,827, that time we are getting the answer 33,37,889. 33,37,889. Okay. Okay. Understood everyone? Now, next example. Everyone is understanding this or not? Please give yes in the chat box. So everyone is understanding this. Thank you very much. Now we'll see the sixth example. Fifth and sixth example. Both we are going to see. Okay. Now again forget this borrowing because I am writing on the topic. Oh. Now the fifth example. 70,12,345 minus 28,64,547. Okay. Now again bigger number first, 70 lakh 12,345 minus smaller number 28 lakh 64,547. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to do the subtraction. 5 minus 7 possible? No. So this 5 will borrow 1 from this 4. So your number is 15. And 4 की जगह पे कितने बचे? 3. Okay. 3. Now 3 minus 4 possible? No. This again this 3 will borrow 1 from this 3. So your number is 13. So your number is 13. Wait. Here 15. Here 13. Okay. Now this 3 gives 1 to this 3. So how many remains over here? 2. 2 minus 5 is possible. 2 minus 5 is possible. No. So this 2 will again borrow 1 from this 2. This 2 will borrow 1 from this 2. So ये 2 के पास कितना बचा? 1 only. 1 minus 4 is possible. No. So this 1 will again borrow 1 from this 1. तो यहाँ पे आ गया 11. लेकिन इस 1 ने यहाँ पे 1 दे दिया तो 1 minus 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. इस 1 ने इसे 1 दे दिया तो 1 के पास कितना बचा? 0. Now 0 minus 6 is not possible. 0 minus 6 is not possible. So what this 0 will do? This 0 will borrow 1 from this 0. Okay? ये 0 क्या करेगा? अपने बाजू वाले से 1 borrow करेगा. Okay? लेकिन borrow करने के लिए इस 0 के पास तो कुछ होना चाहिए. This 0 doesn't have anything. Okay? This 0 is 0. So this 0 will borrow again 1 from this 7. ये 0 के पास तो देने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है. तो ये 0 क्या करेगा? इस 7 से 1 borrow करेगा. तो यहाँ हो जाएगा 10. यहाँ पे कितना हो जाएगा? 10. और ये 7 के पास हो जाएगा 6. अब ये 10 को याद आया कि मेरे बाजू वाले 0 ने मुझसे 1 मांगा है. Okay? What this 10 will remember? This 0 borrow 1 from me. Okay? So this 10 will give 1 to this 0. ये 10 क्या करेगा? अपना एक 1 क्या करेगा? इस 0 को देगा. So 10 minus 1 is 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. अगर 10 ने 1 दे दिया इस 0 को तो 10 के पास कितना बचा? 9. Okay? I am using different color for you people. Here, how many will remain? 9. Okay, wait. So I am writing here with the green pen so you can understand. If this 0 gives, if this 0 gives 1, this 1, 10 gives 1 to this 0. So how many will remain over here? 9. See, on the top I am writing here in the green. Okay. Now our numbers are ready. 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7 is 8. Here 13 is there. 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4 is 9. You have to subtract. Okay. आप बोलो, numbers बोलो. 12 minus 5. You have to count from 6 till the 12. So the answer is 12 minus 5 is 7. Then 11 minus 4. This 4 is 7. 10 minus 6, 4. Now here 9 is there. So 9 minus 8 is 1. 6 minus 2 is 4. So our answer is 41 lakh 47,600. 798. हमें सिर्फ आगे आगे जाके बोरो करना है. ओके ओके, लेट्स सी द 6th एग्जांपल. इट इज आल्सो सिमिलर वन. ये भी ऐसे ही एग्जांपल है. ओके, नाउ अगेन अंडरस्टैंड 6th एग्जांपल. प्लीज पे अटेंशन. 38 again read. 38 lakh 1213 minus 37 lakh 54,648. Again bigger number will come first, then smaller number. 38 lakh 1213 minus 37 lakh 54,648. Now again borrowing. 3 minus 8 is not possible. So here 13. This 3 borrow 1 from this 1. This 3 borrowed 1 from this 1. So ये 1 के पास बचा 0. Okay. Now 0 minus 4 is not possible. 0 से 4 जाने वाला नहीं. So this 0 will again borrow 1 from this 2. तो 2 ने इसे 1 दिया तो 2 के पास कितना बचा 1. 1 minus 6 is not possible again. So this one is going to borrow again 1 from this one. तो ये 1 ने क्या किया, इस 1 से फिर से 1 बोरो किया. सो ये नंबर इज 11. लेकिन 1 ने 1 दे दिया तो 1 के पास कितना बचा 0. 0 minus 4 is possible. 0 minus 4 is possible. No. तो ये 0 क्या करेगा, अपने आगे वाले 0 से क्या करेगा 1 लेगा. ठीक है, ये 0 क्या करेगा, अपने आगे वाले 0 से 1 लेगा. लेकिन 0 के पास देने के लिए कुछ है नहीं. तो ये 0 क्या करेगा, अपने आगे वाले से फिर से 1 लेगा. सो दिस 8 गिव्स 1 टू दिस 0. तो यहाँ पे हो गया 10 और यहाँ पे हो गया 8 के पास 7. सी इन द स्कूल ऑल्सो यू आर borrowing the pen or pencil from your friends. If you are asking your next friend, if he is not having or she is not having, you are asking to the next one. That boy is asking to the next one. If that is not having, that particular student is not having, then he is asking to the next one. Okay, so like this the pencil is coming to your place. दूसरे बाजू वाला फिर उसके बाजू वाले को देता है, उसका बाजू वाला फिर उसके बाजू वाले को देता है, फिर ऐसे करते करते आप तक पेन आ जाता है. करेक्ट ना? So same in the subtraction, you have to borrow from the next number. Okay, तो अब ये 0 के पास 0 minus 4, यहाँ पे देखो 0 minus 4 is not possible. So this 0 borrowed 1 from this 0, but this 0 is not having anything. This 0 is not having anything. ये 0 ने इस 0 से 1 मांगा, लेकिन इस 0 के पास देने के लिए कुछ नहीं था. तो इस 0 ने क्या किया, अपने आगे वाले 8 से 1 लिया. ओके, दिस 0 बोरो 1 फ्रॉम दिस 8. सो 8 के पास बचा 7 एंड हियर द नंबर इज 10 बिकॉज 8 गिव्स 1 टू दिस 0. ओके, तो यहाँ पे नंबर हो गया 10. बट इस 10 को याद आया, दिस 10 रिमेम्बर दैट दिस 0 इज आस्क मी फॉर 1. इस 10 को याद आया कि इस 0 ने मेरे पास 1 मांगा था. तो इस 10 ने क्या किया, इस 0 को 1 दे दिया. Now this 10 gives 1 to this 0. So how many will remain over here? 9. तो इस 10 के पास कितना बचा 9. Correct? Correct, no? So 3 minus 3 is 0. So our numbers are ready now. 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 is 5. 10 minus 4. This 10 minus 4 is 6. 11 minus 6. This 11 minus 6 is 5. 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. And 3 minus 3 is again 0. So our answer is 46,565. When we subtract 37,54,648 from this bigger number 38,01,213, that time we are getting the answer 46,565. 565. Okay? Okay, students? I hope you understood this. Okay? So here our problem set 11 is over. Now again the word problems. Again word problems are there. Okay? Problem set 12. And the first question, first word problem. Prathamesh wants to buy a laptop worth 27,450 rupees. He has 22,975 rupees. What is the amount he still needs to be able to buy the laptop? Prathamesh wants to buy a laptop and the price of this laptop is 27,450. Okay, but he is having, how many money he is having? 22,975. उसे लैपटॉप लेना है, लैपटॉप का प्राइस है 27,450 रुपीज, लेकिन उसके पास कितने हैं? 22,975. So how many, what is the amount he still need to buy the laptop? उसे और कितने पैसों की जरूरत है? Okay, so what we'll do, we'll minus the smaller number from the bigger number. That time whatever the answer we are getting, that much money still he need to buy the laptop. Okay, जो पैसे बचेंगे, जो सब्ट्रैक्शन का आंसर आएगा, उतना अमाउंट उसे लैपटॉप लेने के लिए अभी भी चाहिए. ओके, सो आवर आंसर इज amount required for laptop. What is the amount of the laptop? 27,450. What is the amount of laptop? 27,450. And how much money the Prathamesh has? 22,975. 22,975. Okay, so amount he still needs. अभी उसे कितने पैसों की जरूरत है? So now we are doing the subtraction. 0. Wait. Now 0 minus 5 is not possible. So what this 0 will do? This 0 will borrow 1 from this 5. So how many will remain over here? 4. 4 minus 7 is possible. 4 minus 7 is possible. No. So what this 4 will do again? This 4 will borrow 1 from this 4. So here number is 14. और 4 ने 1 दे दिया, तो 4 के पास कितना बचा? 3. 3 minus 9 is possible? No. Again this 3 is going to borrow 1 from this 7. तो ये 3 ने क्या किया? 7 से 1 borrow किया. So 13 minus 9 is possible now. Okay. But 7 gives 1. तो 7 के पास कितना बचा? 6. 6 minus 2 is possible. 2 minus 2 is again possible. So our numbers are ready. Now we are going to do the subtraction. 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. 14 minus 7. 14 minus 7. 14 में से 7 गए. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. Then next, 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9. 10, 11, 12 and 13. So 13 minus 9 is 4. Now we have 6 remain. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. And 2 minus 2 is 0 only. 2 minus 2 is 0. So how much amount he still needs? 4,475 rupees. Therefore, Prathamesh needs rupees 4,475 to be able to buy the laptop. Okay, उसे लैपटॉप लेने के लिए अभी भी 4,475 rupees he needed. Okay. Now, our next example. I hope everyone is able to understand. If yes, give me Y in the chat box. Okay, so all are giving yes. Okay, thank you. Our next example now. Okay. Our second example. Okay. I hope everyone is able to see. Our second example, a company produced 44,730 scooters in a certain year and 43,150 in the next. How many more scooters did they produce in the previous year? If company is there, a company है, it produced 44,730 scooters. एक सर्टन ईयर में वो कितने स्कूटर्स बना रही है 44,730 एंड इन द नेक्स्ट ईयर उसके अगले वाले ईयर में वो कितने बना रहे हैं 43,150. सो हाउ मेनी मोर स्कूटर्स डिड दे प्रोड्यूस इन द प्रीवियस ईयर. तो पहले वाले ईयर में उन्होंने कितने ज्यादा स्कूटर प्रोड्यूस किए. ओके, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व दिस वर्ड प्रॉब्लम. आवर आंसर इज स्कूटर प्रोड्यूस इन द फर्स्ट ईयर. फर्स्ट ईयर में कितने थे 44,730. स्कूटर प्रोड्यूस इन द सेकेंड ईयर, उसके नेक्स्ट वाले ईयर में कितने प्रोड्यूस हुए 43,150. करेक्ट. सो हाउ मेनी मोर स्कूटर्स डिड दे प्रोड्यूस इन द प्रीवियस ईयर. तो पहले वाले ईयर में उन्होंने कितने ज्यादा स्कूटर बनाए वो हमें निकालना है. ओके, so we are going to minus smaller number from the bigger number. So our bigger number is 44,730 and our smaller number 43,150. Now we are going to do the subtraction. Okay, don't forget to give the minus sign. Now number of scooter produced in the more in the previous year. Number of scooter produced more in the previous year. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 5. So it is not possible. So this 3 will borrow 1 from this 7. तो 7 के पास हो गया 6 और 6 ने इसे 7 ने इसे 1 दे दिया तो यहाँ पे हो गया 13. ओके, so 13 minus 5 is 8. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. 4 minus 3 is 1 and 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, so the company produced 1,580 more scooters in the previous year. तो उस कंपनी ने previous year में कितने ज्यादा स्कूटर बनाए थे 1,580. Correct? Understood? Now we are going to solve the last problem, okay, of this problem set. In a certain city, the number of men is 16 lakh 37,856 and the number of women is 16 lakh 52,978. By how many does the number of women exceed the number of men? एक certain city में men का number है, the number of men is 16,37,856 and the number of women's कितने हैं 16,52,978. तो women's men से कितने ज्यादा है, कितने more है वो हमें निकालना है. Okay, we have to find out this, the more number of women. Okay, how many women are more in that particular city. So our answer is number of women. कितने number of women 16 lakhs don't forget when we are doing the subtraction, that time we are going to write the bigger number first. Now here 16 is common. So we'll see the 10,000 place digit. Okay. Here 37 is there. Here 52 is there. 16 and 16 is common. Same. So we are seeing the 52 and 37. So which number is bigger? Obviously 52. So we are going to write the women number first. 16 lakh 52,978. The number of men in that city 16,37,856. ठीक है, तो हमें अभी सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है. 8 minus 6 is 2. 7 minus 5 again 2. 9 minus 8 is 1. 2 minus 7 is not possible, so this 2 will borrow 1 from this 5. So here 5 के जगह पे कितना बचा? 4. Okay. 12 minus 7 is 5. 4 minus 3 is 1. 6 minus 6 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So how many more women are there in that city? 15,122. So there are 15,122 more women in that city. Okay. तो उस सिटी में कितने women ज्यादा है? 15,122. Okay. So I hope everyone understands